If you are looking for the best way to remove the permanent marker ink on your hands, you are watching the right video. Here is the best way and the simplest one you can remove a permanent marker ink on your hands or your kids' hands. It is a very simple way to use, and it is very fast. Here is a permanent marker I will use to show you how you can do it. This is a snowman marker, a permanent type. To show you, let me write in my hands, and then I will show you how you can remove this marker pen ink in a very simple way. This is a permanent marker in my hands, of which with water it is very difficult to. Well, it has already dried. Well, let's try to wash and see what happens once we use water to wash. It is something not easy to remove the permanent marker ink using just water. Using water alone, as you can see, it has not disappeared. You can still read what is in my hands. Now, the best way you can do to remove it completely is using a toothpaste. Now let's do and see what happens. More ink on my hands. Well, just like this. And let's see with Colgate what will happen. Well, I applied some amount of toothpaste, and this is a Colgate toothpaste. Let me spread it. In fact, you can use any toothpaste. You don't need to have Colgate. Any toothpaste, I trust it. I believe it will work very good. Now, you can leave it for about 1 to 2 minutes before you wash it away. With just a little drops of water dropping onto my palm, with just fingers, the ink is almost gone. And in fact, this applies for any type of ink, whether it is a pen or a marker pen, whatever ink on your hands, you can use a Colgate or a toothpaste, any other toothpaste to clean your hands. It is very simple and it works very fast. That is how you can clean your hands. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.